Sitting at the counter, the glass of wine between covers dance. The dim light dancing on the peeling walls like my illusions remove. Outside the rain beat hard, a bitter rhythm on the street. And in that din I heard the echo of promises never given, of a life stolen. 30 years spent breaking my back, brick by brick, day after day, only to be told I wasn't enough, that my sweat wasn't worth a dime. I remember my father's eyes, his forehead lined like an old map, his rough hands tight on the steering wheel, chasing a dream you can't grasp. He always said, son, you have to be strong, you have to stand your ground. But the world was running too fast, and we were left behind, just watching the factories close their gates. The sirens wailed in the night, and a man's dignity crumbled like sand through broken fingers. I saw friends fall, swallowed by the shadow of despair. Empty gazes, broken voices, a silent anger in their hearts. We clenched our fists, swore that one day things would change. That the wind would turn and the sun would kiss us again. We marched through the streets, sang our rage and our sorrow, but the doors of power remained closed. Death to our clamor. And I met Maria, her eyes two stars in the deep night, a smile capable of cracking the deepest armor. She knew the hardship, the sleepless nights, the shattered hopes, but in her burned a flame, a tenacious desire to move forward. We took each other's hands, clinging to each other like castaways at sea. And in that simple gesture we found the strength to start again. It won't be easy.